All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol NIO, Neil Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And don't forget to share this with your friends and community. I want to go ahead and say welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow, to all first-time viewers. I hope you guys find this informative and helpful. If you guys do, definitely hit the subscribe button. I encourage you guys to, and don't forget to hit the bell so you guys can get notified on my daily videos. For all my subscribers, I want to say thank you to you guys for your support, always encouraging me with the great feedback and really affirming to me and confirming as well why it is that I do this and why I will continue to do this. I really appreciate that. And I also want to say thank you to all of you guys that go out of your way and take the time of your day to comment down below and help other investors that have questions or any insight you guys want to share in regards to the company, any news you guys heard, other ticker symbols you guys are suggesting. I really appreciate that. That means a lot. It really does. So let's jump into this chart and see what happened. So this hit a low that was below the 50-day moving average, and it maintained itself below the 50-day moving average. That just tells us that the bears, after this bullish run and leveling out, the bears have reappeared, and this is below its 50-day moving average point, which means it's in bearish territory. Could that mean that the bears have won? Not just yet. We got to just watch out how this reacts tomorrow and obviously the beginning of next week. Um, very spaced out support level and resistance level, but I'm going to narrow this down in just a second, but I want you guys to see it. So this was the highest point it reached throughout the day, and that's 1295. I want you guys to keep that in mind because this will literally tell you how much more bullish this stock can get, and there's going to be a lot of in between here uncertainty between the 50-day moving average of 1248, right? I'd write that down and keep that in mind. As long as this is below it, bears are in control. If the bulls are able to break through it, they need to break through it and work their way up, but break through 1295. And the reason why I say that specifically is because when you look at this stock, 1295 is the closest thing to the $13 mark, right? Way up here. And then it's the closest thing to 1375, which is so important right now in the short term. And as we can see, that $16 mark way up here has been a big rejection point. 1375 is another rejection point, and $13 has been another rejection point. So 1295 is the closest thing to the previous rejection point of $13. And if that can be broken through, the bulls will really be on their way to a bullish run. They can use it as support and break the new resistance levels. But the 50-day moving average, yeah, they can break through it. Yeah, it could be anywhere around here and there back into bullish territory, but how bullish will they be? 1295 is the key indicator. But let's go ahead and put the short-term resistance level, and that's 1243. I'd keep a really close eye on that. But just because 1243 was broken through, that is not the significant number here. It's actually 1248 because that's the 50-day moving average. So 1243 can tell you that the bulls are on their way to get back to bullish territory. But again, the question is how bullish could they get up here until 1295? So I'd keep a real close eye on this throughout that process. This stock closed out at 1238, so it's not that far from this resistance level, and it's not that far from the 50-day moving average. So the bulls have a shot here. Now, on the other hand, the bears. This was the lowest point of the day. It was pulled further away from the 50-day moving average. The bears are going to want to break through 1207. That's their goal, whether they're selling off and taking profits. or shorting the stock and so forth. 1207, if that gets broken through, the bears are gaining control, bringing it to newer lows, and they have moved it further away from the 50-day moving average. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, two things can happen. The bears can gain full control on this, or the bulls can turn this around, load up on stocks, and bring this one back up. So we're going to have to see how this one plays out tomorrow. As always, if you learned something new, subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know you watched this video. Share it with your friends and community. And don't just like it because you found it helpful and informative. Like it because you want to support the channel, you want to help me out, and you want to help new viewers get exposed to the video, because by hitting the like button, you guys raise up the algorithms of the video, and YouTube will take care of the rest of exposing and showing and giving this insight to others. That's the easiest way and most productive way to go ahead and support me. I really appreciate the comments. I appreciate you guys that do hit the like button, the views, and just the affirmations, and you guys helping each other out. But definitely help me out with that thumbs up so more people can see these videos and receive these insights as well. Thank you guys for watching, and let's make some money.